Let's talk today about Reels posting, automated Reels posting. Hey, my name is Gala. I'm marketing analyst, and recently I started to work with content automation, and I'm really excited. In this video, I want to show you how the whole pipeline, how I made it, and if I see that you're interested in, I can do detailed video with some pieces of this pipeline. So what do I have here? I already created several reels using AI. I created Google Sheets documents where I have all this information, and I uploaded all documents to Google Drive, and I use make.com to run this whole automation process. Let's click run. I created YouTube account, Instagram account, TikTok, and Telegram group. So when I run the process, it takes data. First of all, it checks if my status is empty. So we start to work with this row. We take title, description, Google Drive link, then do some download this document and do some cleanup for some rows, and after that I upload these documents to WordPress. I created a website for this project. It's empty still, but I'm planning to do SEO blog as well. So when we have one, it means that it's ready. So we already have a second post in Telegram. Why we don't? Okay, let's see. On TikTok, let's update this. Okay, something was wrong with Telegram. I am curious what. TikTok was fine. We have second post here. Instagram, let's check. Did it post? Yeah, it's already posted to Instagram. Yeah, we can see that I have a new post on Instagram. If I open it, I can see that it is normally structured with hashtags and so on. Then on YouTube, let me update. I should have two posts here. Yeah, I have two posts here. On YouTube, it's like thumbnails are not good for shorts, but still we have it here. It's uploaded. So I click once here and I did 4 posts automatically. And in my Google Sheets, I can see, okay, this is some issue, but this row is published. I will clean it up. It's little details. But the idea is that I will set up to run this scenario daily basis, and I will do my post daily basis every day automatically and for platforms. I think this is magic. And another story how to automate content creation, but it's another story, and if you're interested in, I can go you through this pipeline step by step. Leave me a comment, please, and share this video and do any reaction. And I know my video quality is not nice. It's already night here, so I will try to record next one during the day with sunlight. Okay. Hope you like it, and bye bye.